Hey, what's up guys? It's me Tech Jake back again with another review, and today we're checking out something sleek, compact, and super functional, the Canon LV-WX300 Projector. If you're looking for a portable yet powerful projector with pro-level features at a discounted price, check out the link down in the description. Let's get into it. This little beast right here, the Canon LV-WX300, is built to handle everything from boardroom presentations to classroom sessions, and even a little Netflix and chill if that's your vibe. First up, image clarity. We're looking at a WXGA resolution that's 1280 by 800 with a 16:10 aspect ratio, which gives you more horizontal space. That means sharper text, cleaner graphics, and more room for spreadsheets, slides, or videos. And yeah, it's a big upgrade over those standard VGA projectors still floating around. Next, brightness. At 3000 lumens, this thing stays bright and visible, even in a lit-up office or classroom. No need to black out the room just to see your slides. Now let's talk image quality. Thanks to DLP technology, colors stay punchy and motion stays smooth. It's the kind of contrast you'd expect in way more expensive projectors. The design? Super lightweight. You can toss this in a backpack, carry it between meetings, or take it from the office to your living room. Portable power, that's the game here. And don't worry about frequent maintenance. With a lamp life of up to 6,000 hours in eco mode, you're getting serious longevity. Schools and offices? You're saving time and money. Connectivity is also solid. You've got HDMI, VGA, and more, so it works with laptops, tablets, consoles, you name it. Setup is plug and play. No hassle. This thing shines in presentations, literally. Text, charts, infographics, all super sharp and easy to read. That's why it works so well for professionals and educators alike. But hey, just because it's made for business doesn't mean it can't have some fun. You can totally hook up a gaming console or streaming stick via HDMI and boom, instant movie night or gaming session. Teachers and trainers, you're covered too. The wide aspect ratio makes it easier to share more content, and the bright, crisp visuals help keep students engaged. So here's the quick breakdown on why the Canon LV-WX300 might be worth it. WXGA resolution, 1280 by 800. 16:10 aspect ratio for more screen space. 3000 lumens of brightness. DLP tech for great contrast and color. Lightweight and portable. Up to 6,000 hours lamp life. HDMI and VGA for fast setup. Great for business, education, movies, and gaming. So whether you're pitching a project, teaching a class, or just watching your favorite show, the Canon LV-WX300 delivers sharp, bright, reliable performance in a compact package. Again, if you want to grab one at a discounted price, check the link in the description. And as always, thanks for watching. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more tech breakdowns just like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.